Our next nominee is now in its fourth generation of family ownership, serving over 15,000 customers a year from locations in Bellingham, Linden, and Mount Vernon. In its 83rd year, Lewis Auto Glass is one of the oldest businesses in Whatcom County and has some of the most loyal employees. Among the 35-member workforce, the average tenure is over 15 years, with some in excess of 30. That loyalty comes from owner Rick Adelstein's generosity, creating a positive work environment, and maintains a debt-free business that survived the economic downturn without a single layoff. Lewis Auto Glass is also a very generous company in its giving to the community. As Rick says, he never says no to a request for a donation, and last year alone gave some $200,000 in charitable contributions. Among those benefiting from Lewis Auto Glass are Salt of the Street, Boys and Girls Clubs, Blaine Fine Arts Council, Campfire USA, high school booster programs from around Whatcom County, Northwest Youth Services, Bridget Collins, Blue Skies for Children, YMCA, Bellingham Rotary, Bellingham Lions, and many, many more. One of the largest beneficiaries of Lewis Auto Glass support is the Chamber. Lewis Auto Glass participates in and contributes to the networking breakfast, speaker series, Ski to Sea Grand Parade, Business After Business, and the golf tournament. And the entire Adelstein family were the Grand Marshals for the 2009 Grand Parade. Many will tell you about all the difficulties of running a family-owned and managed business. Lewis Auto Glass just talks about all of the benefits and is an outstanding example of how a family-run business can be successful both financially and personally. That is why they have been nominated as a finalist for 2011 Large Business of the Year.